We're looking for the best old-fashioned in Baltimore, Maryland. This is Topside Bar. As soon as you walk in, go up an elevator, 14th floor, rooftop bar, beautiful views right outside of here. I don't know what this monument is. I'm gonna say I don't know what it is, and then somebody's gonna be like, dude, that's the most iconic monument in Baltimore. Who knows what it is? I don't know what it is. Beautiful, well-lit bar in the center of the restaurant. I'm a sucker for rooftops, man. Today, we are reviewing the That Feel old-fashioned. Price point $17. Classic old-fashioned recipe. They're using a redemption high rye though. Let's jump into this appearance. Massive glass. This is definitely the biggest glass we had in all of Baltimore. This is our 5th old fashioned we've shot. Nice piece of clarified ice, and they got a nice little orange peel on the side here. Chic, sexy, clean, nothing crazy, but still nice. First couple sips, let's get it going. I think they have a logo on there. The Topside logo was on this ice cube, but it melted. It's my fault, I didn't recognize it off the rip. These are just clean, man. Cheers to all the old-fashioned queens and kings.
The old-fashioned king, the old-fashioned king.
We review old fashions off of 4 things. It's 0 through 1 on the ambiance of the establishment, and then 0 through 3 on the appearance, first couple sips, and then the overall experience of the entire cocktail. Max score you can get is 10. Love rooftops. Views are immaculate. Ambiance, we're gonna go for 1. Appearance, single cube, clarified ice with the Topside logo. We're gonna go 2.95 off of appearance. First couple sips, 2.8, and then overall experience, we're gonna go 2.8. And there you have it. Topside rooftop, Baltimore, Maryland. Virginia is rubbers, 9.55. Cheers.